I'm trying to be the richest, cause I done been the brokest. All my niggas focus, yeah, all my niggas focus. I'm trying to be the richest, cause I done been the brokest. All my niggas focus, yeah, all my niggas focus. Focus, 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 nigga focus. Trying to be the richest, cause I done been the brokest. All my niggas focus, nigga focus. Going in for the kill, passed on a couple deals, eyes on a couple mil, trying to see how I feel. Now it's time to turn up like a radio. I've been killing niggas, what you think the OGs pay me for? Paint a picture vivid, only cause I live it. All this game I'm giving, but I don't think you get it. It's something in my spirit that make you say I'm different. It's all about appearance, if you snitch you disappearing. The laws and the bylaws, feeling like I should try y'all. Still waking up early morning, getting white off. Phone ringing all night, thought he calling for the pipe. Money over bitches, I'ma hustle before I get a rank. It's all about the sacrifice, I ain't never giving up. I'ma put this grind down so my niggas can live it up. Can't you tell I'm focused? I can tell you hopeless. I'm trying to be the richest, inside up in the brokest. God is the only way, even if you moving, yeah. You gon' need protection when they draw down on you with the K. Streets is my instrumental, name known for bustin'. Niggas die for money, some niggas die for nothing. So come and walk with me, on the other side. You talking about that action, but ain't never down the ride. Money block, bitch. Money block, bitch. Money block, bitch. Trying to be the richest, inside up in the brokest. All my niggas focus, yeah. All my niggas focus. Trying to be the richest, cause I done been the brokest. All my niggas focus, yeah. All my niggas focus. Focus, focus, focus. Nigga focus. Trying to be the richest, cause I done been the broke. All my niggas focus, focus. I said, get it from the dirt, that's where they find the diamonds. I put in hella work, now it's about the timing. It's 5:30 in the morning and I'm still grinding. Niggas throwing dirt on my name and I'm still shining. Trying to dodge the hot box, it get cold in the winter. Niggas starving, get locked